Hi, Crafty Angels. Nessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on the YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm here with my December daily. And I'm trying to catch up because I fell back when I had my hand surgery. So, we're going to be doing 6, 7, and 8 for the days this time. And I want to start with putting a side pocket over here. So this is my side pocket, and first I want to put something on that. So we're going to look and see what we can put here, and I'm going to put this wrapping paper that I have sewn to not sewn, has glued to some regular printer paper. I'm going to put that right there. Let's get the glue in. I don't know if I want to put a pocket or just leave it aside from the side pocket. I might have to get my other art glitter glue bottle out. There we go. There goes that part of the side pocket. I want to put something here also. So let's see what we can put on this part here. Let me see. Put this over here. Take this out of my way. Guys, I got it packed over here. Let's put this down here. And I either want some green bling or we will be using some doily at some point in here. But right now I am going to look in Tsunami Rose and see what I can put in for Christmas on this part here. If I can't find that, then I'll put some bling. But I also want to get one of her quotes here so that I can make a tuck spot. And I don't see what I'm looking for. So I will just have to, oh, maybe, no, not that. Okay, I just give up. We're just gonna have to use what we have here, which is the bling. And I like it because it's green. And I'm going to put 3 rows of it down like so. Let me put this back in here so it doesn't fall on the floor and get unraveled. Because then that'll be a no-no for me. Go put 3 rows, maybe just 1. I don't know. Let me look at it this way. I'll put just 2. Okay. So it'll be 2 rows. And this one here we can save for another page. So I'm going to leave that out. And we're going to stick these 2 down. If I can find my other glue better. Oh, well, we're going to have to go with this one. That's all right. I need a pen. Oh, that one, I forget that one doesn't fit in the smaller ones. There we go. There. I'm going to stick that right there. Like so. Now, then I'm going to take this. Whoops, a daisy. Well, now we need some clips here. Let's pull this up a bit. Now I'm going to put the clips on here. And let it dry for a little bit while we cut our tuck spot out. Okie dokie. So we're going to go with a small tuck spot here. And these are tsunami rolls. Let me put that back in her little pouch here so I don't lose them. Okay, so now that is done. Now, I have to wait until I put, oh, pocket's going to be a little bit too big. I should have cut the donut with the bit. We can still do so. We'll cut it down right there and re-glue it. So we're going to re-glue that. Like so. And we're just going to take these off because they're dry enough to put this on here. We'll put it this way. So we're going to put our glue on the 3 sides here and put this on right under the number 6, because at some point I will put a tag in here. I know I have a tag made somewhere, but I don't know where I put it. I have a little zipper pouch for everything, but I don't know where I put that tag at. Let's see. It's not in here. You know what? I have some stuff here. Oh, here's a tag that may fit in it for now. It might be a little big, but it's an insert. Uh-oh, that's too big. So, let me add a little more glue here. It's a little too big. I know I have a tag somewhere. Well, we may have to make a tag. So we're going to put this over here. And let's measure how long the pocket is. We're going to go a little bit shorter than the pocket. Whoops. Well, we can't write with that now, can we? So I'm going to go right about here. And then right in about there. So let's cut this, and then we're going to put our tuck spot after we have our tag in there. And then cut it this way. I'm just going to make it an insert, so it'll be easier for me. Let me see if it'll fit. Need to cut it a little more. Right there. There we go. Well, to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to trim just a quarter inch, about a quarter inch off, and insert that right in there. But now that needs to be decorated. But first we're going to put our little tuck spot right above over here. So we have the pocket and the tuck spot. So this is going to be our little tiny tuck spot. Like so. Well, wrong way. Glue goes on this side. And down. Maybe. Nope. Wrong way. Up and on the side. There we go. There. And this is going to go like so. So now we have to alter this. And what do I want to put on her? Let's put this poinsettia by Paulette. By Miss Paulette Slater. And we have another poinsettia over here for the tuck spot, where it can be journaled on and whatnot. Okay. So this is poinsettia 1. And then we're going to pull this out of its spot and glue that in. Put that like so. I'm going to get our little board here. And we are going to trim off all the excess. Like so. Like that. This one then come out there. Like so. Okay. So we got that one did it. We got to round those corners off. Now we're going to get this one done. I would like to use my little metal ruler if I can find it, but I can't find it. To make my hand steady, I just put my pinky out, and it keeps my hand a little steady. And it helps me cut a straight line also. One more. And then this is done. And we're going to have to round those corners. Okay, so we got those 2 poinsettias done. And you can journal on the back. Whoops, where's my other one? Oh, there it is. I'm going to leave the backs blank so they can be written on. Let me get right in there. So now we have those two, and we need to round the corners. Let me see. We're going to put that over there, put this back in here. Uh-oh. Put this in her pocket. There. And I'm going to put this in his spot up there. How's that? I like that. Okay. So now we're going to go to day 7. Now on day 7, we can take this little bitty piece of bling and bring it down. And we got a tab there. So we're going to bring this down in a straight line here. Y'all, I don't have that much room on my desk to craft with, so this book is like taking up the whole camera here. Day 7. And we got that there. Let's trim that off. Now, we can take some of this here and make a tucker spot. So, we'll make a little tucky right there. And this will be it for this page. Like that. Oops. Well, I didn't mean to bring that up. Let me add a little more glue here. Okay, that one is done. Now we're going to move on to page 8, which we have our tuck spot already. Well, wait a minute. Wait a minute, her. We got 2 pages stuck together here. Uh-oh. There we go. So we have our tuck spot here. And what do we want to do? Put a little angel. Let's put a little angel charm right here. And we're going to call these pages done. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit that big red notification bell, the big red button down below, and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Also, please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be safe, be crafty. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.